have to go to the application InShot.
Okay.
Okay, so this window would open up for all of you, be it are you on an iPhone, iPad, or on an Android phone. So iPhone works both on Android and iOS, okay, and it's no, you can download it for free, but you have 3 plans for iPhone. So you have a basic and you have a premium. You have 2 plans for InShot. So the basic also gives you lot of features. Okay, it's not required that you have a basic plan, but basic के साथ ये होता है कि आपको InShot का watermark मिलेगा. So whenever you save that video, you will get an InShot watermark. So initially my videos would be having an InShot watermark. Recently I have purchased it when there was a good deal. So you have to keep a watch on this app. Okay, they come up with really good deals. So I got a deal of around 650 rupees for a year, and I think that was worth investing. There was a deal of 1950, I think 2000 for lifetime also, which I didn't pick up right now because I wanted to explore it more. So you have to just keep a watch on the deals that happens on these various platforms. So see, all the platforms that I told you, it has a basic plan and a paid plan. Okay, but you have to just keep on watching it for their pricings. So they actually work. If you want that these things, you will need it very frequently, and mostly you can use and buy one of the platform that is going to help you out. Okay, so you have this option of a video, a photo, and a collage. Okay, so you can make a collage. So if you go to collage, you will see that all your gallery, you can see all your galleries. Okay, so you can just pick a collage. Now you can go to layout. So once I start picking up, so if I start picking up 2-3 pictures, chalo, I just picked up this random 5 pictures, okay, and I go to layout. So like I have got different layouts which I can use. Okay, so I get different layouts I can use. So I get one border, I can get this. So it's like you can make a photo grid out of it. You can have an option of borders, so you can just work and play with it as you like. So आप जो करना चाहो आप कर सकते हो. You can create lovely Instagram post with this. Okay, you can create lovely things, but we are not going to create this. What we are here is for creating videos. Okay, so we go to video. Every one of you open your video option. Open the video option.
Okay. But Sonu, I just have a quick question here.
Haji?
That in case we choose our photos, then how do we save it?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
सब दूंगे. No worries. ठीक है, आप video options पे खोलिए. तो this is the window. आप video पे खोलेंगे तो your gallery will directly get opened up. ठीक है, this is the gallery that will get opened up. तो gallery में आपको मिलेगा video option, photo option and all. Okay, क्योंकि you can just see, अगर आपको नहीं पता कि आपका कहाँ रखा है, अगर आपका all option खुल रहा है, then you go to the video specifically to get all your videos. So wherever your videos would be, you will get that video over here.
Okay, got it.
ठीक है, अब sorry, just a second. Go to a video and select the video that you have to edit. So आपने जो video बनाई होगी, select that. So like I have made this video which is 2.45 seconds का. So select that video. Okay, and below down you can see a green tick box. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So just tick that. So your window.
No, I'm just getting a word called next.
So you can do next. You're on iPhone?
Okay. No.
Okay, no problem. So जो भी आपको whatever is the option you are getting below, कि next है या tick है या done है, you can just select that.
Okay.
So this is the screen of Canva. This is the editing screen of Canva. Okay?
Okay.
ये आपका Canva का editing screen है. So आप अगर नीचे देखोगे, ऊपर में you get a arrow to go back. There is a question for help and there is a save option. ठीक है? नीचे if you see below, on the below panel, you get the first option which is a red plus. ठीक है, ये red plus क्या है? Red plus is to add more videos. So if you want to add another video, like you want to join 2 videos, or you have made short videos of different things and you want to join it together, you can use that option. So if you again click on add, आपको वो option देगा blank or a video or a photo. ठीक है? So if you want to add a video or a photo, आपको photo add करनी है, आपको video add करनी है, आपको जो भी चीज extra add करनी है, you can add it from here. तो आप click करोगे, वापस आपके gallery पे जाएगा.
Okay.
Okay, if you don't want anything, then you just go back. I'm not adding right now. I'll show you the add option also. Okay, पहले मैं आपको एक blank option दिखाती हूँ. So you go to the add option. Okay, जो plus red option है उसमें जाइए. Go to blank. तो आप देखोगे before your video, a blank has been added. Okay, a blank folder. Now you have to write here, welcome my feedback video. Okay, so you have to write in this blank. तो आप पैनल जो है आपका, आपके पैनल के एकदम फ्रंट में रहोगे. जो ये एक लाइन दिख रही है आपको, एक व्हाइट स्ट्रेट लाइन, देयर इज अ व्हाइट स्ट्रेट लाइन इन फ्रंट. ओके, so that is the moving panel. So when you start playing it, this panel will start moving. Okay?
But where do you add the blank, Sonu?
Just go to the add option. ये जो add option है,
Yeah, I went to the add. I went to the add, yeah.
and आप blank click करो.
But blank आया ही नहीं है कहीं.
नाम आएगा. आप जब ऐड करोगे तो आपको एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा ब्लैंक और एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा वीडियो और फोटो. आर यू गेटिंग?
कुछ भी.
Just see my screen. What are you getting?
You're getting, but I'm not getting.
So what are you getting?
When I'm pressing plus, and it's just ऊपर वो दो line आ रहे हैं and it's saying okay.
Can you show me your phone on the screen? Have you added a previous video? आपने पहले वाला वीडियो ऐड कर लिया है?
हाँ, पहले वाला ऐड कर लिया, जो ओरिजिनल जो बनाया था बस.
अच्छा, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. I'll just look into your system later. So fine. So for people who are getting it blank, ठीक है, आपको अगर blank आ रहा है and you want to write that your name and my feedback video, okay? So you go to this option which is called T, text. आपने canvas देखा, आपने music देखा, sticker है, and then there's an option which is T, which is called text. So go to text.
Yeah.
Okay. So
I
now
got the text.
You got the text, fine, no problem. So आप वो कर लो. So whoever is getting on the blank thing, we have to write. So we write Sonu Singh, enter my feedback video. Has all of you written this? Are you able to write? Yeah. Now you will see कि जो ये black screen है ना ऊपर, उसके नीचे आप देखिए एक छोटा सा panel है where all the writing is happening. So if you want to edit anything on your writing, you have to go there. So can you see my cursor moving? Can you see the place where my cursor is moving? So this is your editing box. You have to write and do whatever you want to do over there only. You can't write in that box which is showing the preview. That is only showing you the preview. Okay? So आप जब preview में देखते हो, when you're seeing in the preview, you can see जो box बना है, there is Sonu Singh my feedback video लिखा है. On left top there is a cross. So if you click that, this entire thing will get deleted. And on the right bottom corner there is two arrows. So hold that arrow and you can zoom in and zoom out. Are you able to see it?
And supposing you want to take it upper,
I'll tell you. So you just select at the center and you can move it. अगर आपको ऊपर नीचे कहीं ले जाना है, so you just do it slow, छोटा बना लो, and जहाँ पे आपको लेके जाना है, you can just move it there.
Done.
ठीक है? But I'll keep it in the center. Now this is a very bland thing. I want to add something. Okay? So आप देखो नीचे आपके पैनल पे एक कीबोर्ड है, एक कलर व्हील है. ठीक है? एक कलर व्हील है. Color wheel. Can you see a color wheel?
Yes.
Yeah. So you go to the color wheel, and there you can find all the colors. So first is the text. So if you change any color, the text color would only get changed. ठीक है? Then is the border. मतलब आपके borders को, आपके text का जो border line है, अगर आपको उसको border करना है, it will get bordered up. ठीक है? अगर आपको एक second उसको emphasis देना है तो. Can you see I'm changing it?
So no, for this we have to go back.
No, you don't have to go back.
No, I have only sticker, text, edit, delete, copy and
आप text
duplicate.
पे जाइए, आप text पे जाइए.
Okay. हाँ, आ गया circle. हाँ.
So for the time being, just write anything. कुछ भी आप लिखिए and just get this panel because I'm just teaching you how to edit the text.
Yeah.
Right?
So no, sorry, how did you get that shadow effect?
Okay, so can you see here text, border, shadow, label, opacity? So when you go then you have written a text and you go to the border option. Border option pe click karo and you just change the color. Just select a color.
Yeah, I did that. I selected the color got changed. But now what I can see is a little different. Or is it the font style that you have chosen?
No, the font style तो नहीं होगा. जैसे अगर मैंने border को blank कर दिया, so see, it will be blank. So the first option जो है, जो white का cross है ना, the white cross, which is the first option, that is blank. So that means you don't need it. Okay. But if you select any other color if you start selecting, then it will give you the border.
All right.
Okay. Great. Next is the shadow option. So अगर आपको अपने writing में shadow चाहिए, shadow effect जो generally आप उस पे click करो. So border के बाद there is shadow. Can you all see it?
Sorry.
हाँ जी रवि जी.
How do I edit the border? I don't want now the border. I did a border.
You don't want the border, so just go to border and select the first option which has got a cross. So you have a white and it has got a cross across. The first option.
Okay.
So just click.
Yeah. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome. So now shadows are basically to give your writing a shadow. तो अगर आपके पास border है तो ही वो आपको फिर writing में shadow देगा, but that does not affect much. So don't use it also. So that's okay. I don't want a shadow, so I'll skip. Then is the label. Now label क्या करता है? आपने जो writing किया है ना, I'll just move the color here. ठीक है? लेबल क्या करता है? आपने राइटिंग किया है एक ब्लैंक बैकग्राउंड पे. तो अगर आपको आपके राइटिंग मतलब आपके राइटिंग को एक बॉक्स के अंदर डालना है, देन यू जस्ट गो टू लेबल एंड सिलेक्ट अ लाइटर टोन, सो इट विल गिव इट अ बैकग्राउंड. ओके, गो टू लेबल. देयर इज एन ऑप्शन कॉल्ड लेबल and just select a lighter shade than what you have written. You can just keep on selecting, you will see.
Got it.
Yeah,
super fun.
Okay. Now the last thing in this is opacity. In the color wheel is opacity, right? So that means how much you want it to open. So you नीचे देखो 100% opacity है. So you can just move that grid. You can just move that grid to make it either transparent, opaque, or whatever you darken it, or to lighten it. Move that 100% grid. It's 100%, so you can do it 90%, 76%. So it will get faded out. So the entire border and the writing will get faded off if you do 10%, and you move back to 100%. Okay. So this is the color wheel. Now color wheel may go to the first option, of text. Right?
Okay.
अब below देखोगे एकदम एक color wheel जो rectangle shapes में है और एक है नीचे एकदम below पे there is a white border, there is a plus, there is something called black and white, there is yellow. Okay, so if you select any of these are preset. Okay, अगर आपको color combination कुछ नहीं करना है, you don't have to apply a mind, then you can use a preset option. तो ये presets है, तो आप जैसे जो भी select करोगे accordingly it will change. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. Now from after the keyboard you go to the color wheel, then you move to the font which is written capital A and small a. So you go to font, you will get options of font. Now I have a paid version of it, so I might be having all fonts open, but for a free version also you have a lot of fonts you can select from. So you have a lot of fonts, so you just keep selecting your font and the font on the display gets changed, right? So अगर आपको लगता है कोई font आपने select किया and आपका वो जो writing है वो छोटा हो गया है, then as per the font you have to adjust the size. तो जैसे ये छोटा हो गया तो मैं इसको बड़ा कर दूंगी. Are you all on same page with me?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Fine, right? Now, after the font, so you can select whatever font you like as per your choice. There's an option of alignment. So go to the next line, which is that 3 lines. Okay, तो इसमें जैसे Word document या PPT में होता है left align, center align and right align. So you can select it, left align, center align and right. So you can select whatever alignment you want and it will get aligned accordingly.
Okay.
Now ये जो TT है, which is like capital T and a small t, what it does is, if you see, if you keep, instead of you zooming out physically from there, this also can do the trick. Okay, so hold that bar and zoom in and zoom out. So
Okay.
this will, so instead of you doing that physical trick of zooming in and zooming out, this entire system or this can also do the trick. So you just hold it and it will go to lesser. You just hold the bar and you just keep on moving. It will do it. So you can adjust it. Okay. The AA, ये जो AA लिखा है, what it does, it spaces out the letters within. Okay. So if you hold it and space it out, you will see it's getting spaced up. Can you see?
Yeah.
So it will space out. So if you think that something is written like this font is giving me a very crunch kind of a feeling, but you want to use the font in a more freer way, you can just do a little bit of spacing. So आप इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसा आगे पीछे करोगे, तो ये आपको font words के बीच में spacing दे देगा. Every letter would have a spacing. ठीक है? Now ये जो 3 line and up down arrow है, it adjusts the height. ठीक है, तो आपके जो दो, if you are writing 2 sentences and you want a gap between them, then you just do this and it will give you a height. See? Right? So this is the thing. So this is how your text format looks like. And the last format of text में एक आता है ये जो आपको 3 balls दिख रहा है जो ऊपर नीचे कर रहे हैं. Now you go and click that. जो 3 lines है उसके पास एक circle है which is zooming in and zooming out. Now this will give you the effect. ठीक है कि how the things would come in. So if I want that when this screen starts, Sonu Singh, my feedback video should zoom in and zoom out. Like जो आप animation देते हो अपने PPT में, you can give an animation. So there is an option of in and out. So either you can zoom in, मतलब animation के time पे it can come in or it can go out. तो जब इन होगा तो मीन स्क्रीन पे कुछ नहीं होगा, वो जैसे ही प्ले होगा वो अंदर आएगा. और एल्स अगर आउट ऑप्शन दे रहे हो आप, तो जब प्ले होगा तो स्क्रीन पे रहेगा एंड इट विल गो आउट. सो just see whatever suits you. So I just select in and I select any of the panel from here. So see, it will show you the effect. आप कोई भी नीचे से पैनल सेलेक्ट कर लो, it will show you the effect कि how it will look. ठीक है, I've selected this which is going out, so it will give you this option. You can set the timer also. यहाँ पे देखो एक छोटा सा timer है. Below the screen, black screen, there is a small timer. See, I'm moving that screen. Can you see that? 0.1 second, 0 second. So it will also set up मेरा time. कि ये कितने time में in और out होना चाहिए. Animation कितना होना चाहिए.
Sonu, could you please come back with this?
Sorry.
It was a little
Yes.
fast.
Where is the time, Sonu?
I'll show you. So just watch my screen, okay? You can see the zoom, Sonu saying feedback coming in and out.
Yeah.
उसके ठीक नीचे देखो आप एक timer है which I am moving. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So that is the timer.
All right. And the basic thing is the transitions, right?
Yes, the basic is the transition. So you can select any transition, okay? So you
Okay.
can do this also. So it will also show you the effect that how it will come. So
Okay.
you can see it.
Nice.
So quick question here. Supposing I don't want this in out, how do I cancel it?
If you don't want it, then यहाँ पे देखो ये cross option है. ये पे circle cross है. No parking वाला sign दिख रहा है आपको. First option. The
हाँ.
first option. So just click
Okay.
that. None of
But
the transition would be applied.
बाकी सब चला गया, but everything went.
आपने cross कौन सा कर दिया? Not that cross, ma'am. Not the cross one cross. Just go to text option again. Type the T.
तो बेसिक के नीचे वाला फर्स्ट.
ठीक है. No, I'll do it. It's okay. Just like.
So you do one thing. Go to T and go
Yeah.
to edit. Select T and go to edit. आप देखोगे एक स्टिकर है, एक T है, उसके पास एक edit होगा. Not for you all. I'm just talking to Fareen right now.
Okay, I'll do it, Sonu. You've gone off my screen also. I think my internet is a little low.
Okay.
You continue. I'll be doing it.
Okay, fine. So this is the transitions that you can select from here. So one is basic transition and there are loop transition. So if you want anything to come in loop like this, you know, so it will just keep on. If you want a heartbeat loop, it will keep on coming. So that depends on all, whatever you want to select. And then when you are done with the entire editing of that text, okay, so you have done with the color, you have done with the setting, you have done with the spacing and all, you just go and apply this.
Sonu, which application is this? Which video editing application?
I'm showing you in short. I'm showing you in short, Maulik.
In short?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. So once you are done with this entire text application, you can see a tick mark, a right on your right hand side top corner, upar. So you just go and click on right over here. Can you see?
Yeah.
So you just do right. So you're writing. So when you see your screen, आपका जो नीचे पैनल होगा ना, आपके सारे टेक्स्ट, आप जो भी टेक्स्ट एंटर करोगे, आप जो भी फोटोज एंटर करोगे, वो आपको ऐसे पैनल में दिखेंगे ऊपर. कैन यू सी बिलो? ये आपको ब्लैंक, आपको स्क्रीन के ऊपर नहीं दिखेगा. फॉर द सेक ऑफ प्रीव्यू इट विल शो यू ऑन द स्क्रीन, बट फॉर द एडिट्स इट विल शो यू हियर. नाउ you can do one more thing is that once you see that text on that bar, आपको एक left arrow and एक right arrow दिख रहा है, right? So now you just go and click on any of the arrow. Can you see a video end and a clip end appeared? So over here what happens, if you want this writing, if you want this text to be appearing throughout your video till the end, you click on video end. Okay, but if you want only this writing to appear till a particular clip, like if you have 2-3 clips joined together, कि आपने 2-3 clips अगर छोटे-छोटे clips आपने join करे हैं, and you just want that this writing should appear to a particular clip, you can just click clip end.
Please repeat that once more, Sonu ma'am. How to bring that video end and clip end?
Okay, so are you able to see my screen? Right?
Yes.
मेरे screen पे you can see this green color पट्टी, green पट्टी दिख रहा है, black पट्टी के ऊपर green पट्टी.
Yeah.
नीचे below एकदम down.
Yes.
उसके right. So उसके left and right side में there is an arrow. Can you see that? This one.
Okay. Yes. Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Yes.
So just click that arrow.
Okay. Got it.
Which arrow do we click?
You click any arrow, the right. If you want, if you are writing in the beginning, अगर आपने जैसे ये शुरू में ही लिखा है मैंने, I will also show you something in between also how to enter that. ये आपने एकदम शुरू में लिखा है, right? So you don't click on the left arrow क्योंकि उसके आगे कुछ है नहीं. You have to click the right arrow because on this side the entire video is running. So click on your right arrow which is running this side.
Yeah.
Okay, so you will get this clip end and video end. So if you want that this should appear till the end of your video, like you are entering your name, I'll show you that also. Fine. So if you're entering your name and you want your name to be there in the entire video, then you write video end. But if you only want that your name should appear only during a particular clip, then you just, because you have 2-3 clips adjusted, so there are 2 clips. So one is a blank clip and one is a video clip. So you just click on clip end. It will be here where the transition ends. So अच्छा, आपका जहाँ पे blank clip end होता है ना, आपका वीडियो शुरू होता है, आपके नीचे में can you see a transition? एक छोटा सा बटन होगा, बहुत ही छोटा सा. So that is a transition button.
कहाँ पे सुनो?
I'll just annotate and show you just a second.
That small button before your photo.
Yeah, yes. So where your video starts and your blank screen ends, below here, can you see here? यहाँ पे दिखेगा आपको एक छोटा सा बटन है.
Small little square, white
Yeah,
color.
a small little square. That is the transition. Okay. So if you click on that, try to click on that transition button.
Can't find it.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
आप अपने फोन, अच्छा आपको नहीं दिखेगा because you don't have 2 clips, right? You don't have 2 clips. You have only 1 clip right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let it.
This
So
long.
I'll show it to you. Okay. So that is the transition button. Now see, this window is still in the text option, right? So now, if you have to edit this text again, तो मैंने अगर इसको बंद कर दिया and I need to edit, so can you see a sticker, a text, and then the rest of the option got blank because I have deselected the option. So now I go to that green strip, जो आपका green strip है, ठीक है, आप उसको click करो. तो आप देखोगे आपका एडिट ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। आया? आप अगर एडिट ऑप्शन पे जाओगे तो नाउ इफ यू वांट टू डू एनी एडिट, अगर आपने कुछ स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक किया है, कुछ भी किया है, देन इट कैन बी डन। So it's not that once done it cannot be done. You can do it. Okay. Then there's an option of delete. If you want to delete this writing, you can go and click on delete. If you want to copy this writing again, like it should appear again, then you can go and do copy. And you can also duplicate. So it will happen twice. So if I click on duplicate, see, it again appeared on my video also. Can you see it? So
Yes.
I clicked on duplicate. See, I clicked on duplicate, so it is duplicating itself on every frame. So now I'll delete it. I'll delete it. Okay, so if you duplicate, if you just click that option on any writing, any sticker, any picture that you add, if you just click on duplicate, it will just duplicate it as per the slides, as per the frame. Okay. Now you have to do the right tick. अगर आप यहाँ से ये जो right tick है, इसको आप right tick कर दो, then you come to the main frame. Okay, so the main frame is here. Now in the main frame, the second thing that you need to take care is the canvas. That is the setting, the grid setting, the entire setting of your video. So आप canvas पे जाओ. Can you see different formats and different sizes? Can you see this?
Sorry, I couldn't catch that. How do I go to Canvas?
सर कैनवस आपका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है, आप उसको टिक करके एकदम बाहर आ जाइए. Come to the main screen of
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So you have canvas, go to canvas and you can select. So if you want an Instagram size, you can just go and do 1:1. If you want an IGTV size, that is 4:5. If you want a YouTube size, it is 16:9. So it has already given you all the sizes that you can use. So you can select a YouTube size 16:9. It works on all frames. It will work on Facebook, LinkedIn, even on your YouTube as well, and also on your like Instagram, IGTV में भी आप कर सकते हो, लेकिन आप सेम वीडियो को IGTV कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. तो एक बार जैसे आपने ये वीडियो बना लिया 16:9 के फ्रेम में एंड सेव कर लिया, you can come back to this video, change the canvas. So see, it will increase its size. ठीक है? And now since I have 2 clips, ठीक है, मेरे पास 2 clip है इस attachment में, इस video में. So it will ask me if I do only one right click here. So that means it gets attached. That setting only is done only for my first frame, right? But if I do this double click, ये जो double click वाला option है on your left hand side, it gets applied to all. So जितने भी मेरे पास clips या frames होंगे, it will ask apply to all. So you go and apply to all. So your entire video will run like this. So see. So now the entire video is going to run.
So no, you suggest that we should preferably select the 16.9.
Yes, because that is the YouTube video setup which works with all the things. Which works with all the things. Okay? So now, okay. So now I'm done with my sizes. I'm done with my text. Okay, the first text. I'll also show you how to enter a text in between. The second thing which people require is logo. How do you enter your logo? Right? So now you have an option of sticker. Go to sticker. So when you click on sticker, you get stickers, you get smileys. Okay, you get these moving stickers also, which you can use. You get GIFs, which you can enter. So you can just type your GIF. Now GIF takes a time. वो थोड़ा time देता है आने में because of क्योंकि वो third party, it is a third party collaboration, is powered by Jiffy. तो वो कभी-कभी क्या होता है, GIF appear होने में, enter होने में time लगता है. So don't worry, just go back. If you want a GIF in your system, if you want a GIF in your video, you can wait for it and get it. Otherwise, you can use these. You can use these GIF also. ठीक है? So these are smileys. So you can use it for breaking news, share. Now there are logos. I'll tell you.
ये कहाँ से मिल रहा है ये?
सर स्टिकर से. आप इस फ्रेम पे हैं?
हाँ स्टिकर. ओके गॉट इट.
स्टिकर से आप स्टिकर पे जाइए.
गॉट इट थैंक यू.
तो इसमें आप देखोगे आपके पास शेयर ऑप्शन मिलेगा. आपको जो भी एलिमेंट ऐड करना है, यू कैन ऐड. The most important is जब हम बोलते हैं ना like, subscribe and follow me, तो उसके लिए there is a very good option over here which says featured, play, subscribe, Google search, like, tweet. So you have all these logos. आपको यहाँ पे सारे लोगो मिलेंगे. Follow, add me, you know, pin it. तो Pinterest का भी मिलेगा, Google का भी मिलेगा, Twitter का भी मिलेगा. So you can add these elements in your video so that people know that you are available on all social media platforms. ठीक है? तो ये है आपका ये है आपका normal जो आपका sticker है. तो you can just add any. I'll just show you my feedback video. So I'll just add one. So I've just selected one smiley and I've added. Now the process remains the same. Okay. So the corner arrow, which is double arrow, you can use it to zoom in and zoom out. Okay. This one, ये जो आपका side में आपको एक मिल रहा है ये one line and two arrows. This is for flipping. तो अगर आपको flip करना है photo को, if you want to flip that sticker, you can do it using this.
Yeah, you can rotate that.
All are able to do it?
Yeah. You can able to
you can just flip it. तो अगर आपको left hand नहीं right hand दिखाना है, you can just flip that photo.
And the ऊपर वाला single line?
I'm showing it to you. So ऊपर एक cross है and उसके opposite में there is an edit option. So now you can just click that and you can edit. तो इसमें क्या है आपको transitions अगर चाहिए, so it basically gives you transition and it gives you a mosaic. So how much lighter and darker you want, you can do that. And the edit option is only for the transitions. कि आपको ये pop in कराना है या pop out कराना है. अगर आपको कुछ भी नहीं कराना है, then you don't go there. You just cancel. आपको pop in pop out कुछ नहीं कराना है because this is just a normal smiley that I've added, and you just move it. So move it as per your wish. You can just hold the photo and you move it. So once you have set it, कि ये मैंने set कर दिया. Now this has to appear here. आप इसको राइट क्लिक कर दोगे. तो राइट क्लिक जब करोगे तो आप अगेन अपने बाहर विंडो पे आ जाओगे. ठीक है, यू विल कम बैक टू योर विंडो आउटसाइड एंड यू विल सी एन एडिट ऑप्शन अगेन. आपको ये विंडो मिलेगा. आप राइट क्लिक करके उसको बाहर आओ. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू फिनिश दिस, कि मुझे बस अब ये है, मुझे फिनिश करना है, देन यू अगेन क्लिक ऑन राइट, बट यू वांट योर लोगो टू बी इंसर्टेड. ओके, तो लोगो इंसर्ट करने का भी सेम तरीका है. यू कैन सी हियर स्टिकर्स. Go to stickers and stickers में now you have to go to the एक आपका cart option है where you buy, so it's a shopping cart option, and the second option is a gallery. So go and click there.
Where is the gallery?
आपने stickers पे click किया?
हाँ.
Stickers पे first जो option आता है वो cart है, एक bag है.
हाँ.
बैग के बाजू में देखिए एकदम पास में एक गैलरी है. एक गैलरी विंडो बनाया है बिफोर द GIF.
Got those two like mountains.
हाँ, that two mountains, correct? That is the gallery. आप उस पे क्लिक करिए.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have to add ये जितने भी फोटोज मेरे पास यहाँ पे है, that I have already added from before. So if you want to add a new one, so हमको माँ बोधी का स्टिकर ऐड करना है. So you there is a plus option. Go to plus. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Now when you go to plus, you get this window open, recent वाला. Now you go to, you click, यहाँ पे आपको recent दिख रहा है नीचे. Can you click? See, I am just clicking some एकदम down below.
Yeah,
so when
I
you
found
click,
the Mahabodhi sticker.
you found it, right? ठीक है.
Yeah.
So I have it in my download. So all of you just see where is your Mahabodhi sticker. So you go and select Mahabodhi. That sticker will come up on your screen.
Yeah.
Okay? That sticker will come up on your screen. So that is how you add logos. So this is my logo. So like if you have a logo like this, like a PNG logo, you just click and the logo gets added.
So now we have to tick or we have to go on manage, or what do we go to?
पहले आपको उस जो sticker है आपको set करना पड़ेगा where you want to set that sticker. Okay, so like I'm setting it here.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So I'm setting it up here. Okay, I'm setting it the below. So आप पहले उसको जब तक सेट नहीं करोगे तब तक आप अगर टिक कर दोगे देन वो जहां पे आया है वहीं पे टिक हो जाएगा. So first manage it up, set it up, ठीक है, and then you go and click on tick. Right? All of you have got this. Can you see this window when after you do a tick? Okay, now I want this Mahabodhika logo to be there, present at the entire thing. Okay, मेरे पूरे वीडियो पे ये महाबोधि का लोगो दिखना चाहिए. So what do I do? आपको ये नीचे पैनल्स दिख रहे हैं, आपके ब्लैंक स्क्रीन, आपको एक लाइन दिखेगी लंबा सा, एंड उसके नीचे आपको पैनल्स दिखेंगे, एक ग्रीन स्ट्रिप, फिर एक जेपीजी का स्ट्रिप जो मैंने लड़की ऐड की है वो स्ट्रिप, एक महाबोधि का स्ट्रिप, एक सोलफुल इंप्रेशन का स्ट्रिप. Okay, so you just go and click on that strip. So first select that strip.
I don't have it, Sonu.
Why, Fareen? Show me your screen. Did you add it? I'm not able to see your screen. Wait, just a second. Did you add it? वो tick करो. Click on the tick. Right tick करिए.
Okay.
Yeah,
yeah, it's come.
Yeah. So can you see the screen on जो मेरे लैपटॉप फोन का स्क्रीन है, आपका स्क्रीन सिमिलर है?
आ रहा है, yeah.
आ गया, ठीक है.
Yeah.
Now आपको जिस भी लोगो, राइटिंग, फोटो को एंड तक चाहिए, just go and click that photo. Okay, so जैसे मेरे पास मुझे महाबोधि का चाहिए, so I will go and just select महाबोधि. आपको एक आइकन दिखेगा, छोटा सा स्ट्रिप दिखेगा, just go and select that.
So we click that the arrow.
हाँ, click that arrow and put it at video end. So you will see your entire video आपको ऐसे दिखेगा, you know, you will get that महाबोधि logo in your entire video. You can just scroll and see.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Now you see that ये तो मेरे बीच में आ रहा है, तो मैं क्या करूंगी, I will just adjust it to the right or the left. Now till the time you are in this window, okay, till the time you are in this window, you can do all your edits without selecting it, ठीक है, because all these are already selected. Right? Okay. So till
now
I
have a quick question. Now supposing I'm finding that this particular YouTube option I've taken is making my video very long. How do I, if I want to change it, can I?
Video very long in the sense?
मतलब YouTube का जो video आ रहा है ना, I feel it's a little long. So if I want the Instagram one.
So would you be only posting on Instagram?
Yeah, if I only want to post.
If you only want to post on IGTV and nowhere else, then you can select that option. You go to Canvas and select that option.
Okay, done.
Only difference would happen is my screen is seen like this, your screen would be seen like this. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you see. Okay. So whichever element you want to appear till the end, just click on that element and it will start appearing till the end. And now you do a tick. So once you do a tick, then you check that done. Your screen would be looking like this something. Now another thing, ये जो background है आपका, आपने जो blank select किया है, वो पूरा black है. Do you want to change that? If you want to change that, you can. If you want to change that, then on your panel, just slide this. Are you seeing? I'm sliding the panel. Go to the panel, slide it, and you will find background.
Yeah, found it.
Yeah. So go to background. Click on background. Now in this also, either you can add a picture. So you can see pinch to zoom in लिखा है, फिर background लिखा है, फिर blur लिखा है, and blur में there is two options. एक screen cut है, that is a no parking kind of a sign, and there is again a gallery option. So go to gallery, and if you want a particular background, like if you want to keep any particular background, you can do that. So you can select any photo and put a background. Okay, so that is the key. You can select a photo and put a background. If you don't want it, then there are options. So you have color and you have gradient. Okay, so you can choose any color So that entire black background would get changed to color background or a gradient option. Okay, so what will happen? There is a lag in my network. Just a second. No? I have changed it, but it's not showing it. Yeah. So see, I have selected the gradient option. नीचे से मैंने gradient select किया है. तो क्या है कि मेरा वो screen जो blank था, now it has got a color to it. Okay. Now again, the same rule applies. If I want this background to be applied on the entire thing, on my entire.
Please play the video so that we can see if the real.
I'll play it. Once I do the edit, I'll start playing it.
Okay.
Thanks. And I'll also show you how to insert in between. Okay? So this is the way you add background to blank canvas. So if you have a blank canvas, if you added something in blank, then you do a single tick because I just want the background in the blank canvas. So I do a single tick. But then that made my writing go off. So what do? I go to text, I go here, I go to edit, I go to my color wheel and I select a different thing. Okay, so things get changed. Just a second, it will come up. Okay, can you see? I have changed my background. I have changed my writing. I went to my text option and I changed the color wheel. Color wheel se maine wo color change kar diya, so it is now not blending in my thing. Pareen, you are mute. Okay, so now I'll just start playing. So this is the entire setup for my first screen, so wherein I've written my name, my feedback video. I've entered the logo and I've just entered a GIF. So when I start playing, it gets played like this. So see, both my logos are available. It's seen in the entire video. So till the end, my entire video would be seen with these two logos. Now you will not be able to hear the sound because मैंने mic यहाँ से off किया है. Otherwise, I would not be able to talk. Okay, so this is how you do it. Now you go back. Okay, so you, with the slide of it. So see, आप नीचे से अगर पकड़ के उसको slide करोगे ना, तो आपकी पूरी वीडियो स्लाइड होती रहेगी. Fine. Now you have to crop the video. ठीक है, so come to your video. So slide the video. Okay, आप slide करो अपने वीडियो को and come to that transition. जिसके पास दो clips है, you can come to that transition option and press that. Or you do one thing. आपका नीचे जो बार है, the video bar जो है, उसको आप press hold for 2 seconds. Press hold for 2 seconds. You will get these two kind of thumbnails. Press and hold for 2 seconds, you will get these two kind of thumbnails. So this will show you how many clips you have. So like I have 2 clips, so it is showing me 2 clips. If I add more, it will start showing me the different clips that I have. Now once you have clipped it and you have seen that there are 2 clips and you want to make an edit in the video clip, so your option आपको cut करना है, right? Now आपके वीडियो में आपने देखा मेरे वीडियो में in the initially I am trying to do something, I am trying to set up. I need to cut that part. So where do you cut it? You go to pre-cut. Can you see a scissor here? So yeah. Select that video which you want to cut. So आप वो select कर लो. जैसे I want to cut the video. Go to pre-cut. Select it. You'll get 3 options. Trim, cut and split. ठीक है? Now trim is the option जहाँ पे अगर आपको you just have to cut the video from the front and from the back. You have to just trim it down a little because of certain errors that is there in the beginning at the end. Use the trim option. So trim option you use it and just hold it. तो आप देखोगे green rectangle form हुआ है and that green rectangle के बीच में 2 dots है. So just hold that dot. You have to hold that and you have to start scrolling in and out. See. Hold that dot and start scrolling in and out and adjust. So for that you have to see till what timing. So आप जब scroll in and out करोगे ना, 1 मिनट, आप पहले पूरा वीडियो प्ले कर लो. आपको देखना है आपके नीचे टाइमर भी चल रहा है. Okay, you can see a timer running 0.02, 0.9, 0.03 seconds. You can see till what timing you are doing certain things which you need to cut. And from there you have started talking. So, sorry. So I see that I am doing this and I started talking at 10 seconds. So you have to see that. You have to see आपको कहाँ तक cut करना है. You can see it in the timing in the between. ये जो बीच में जो timer है, not the total time. In between there is a time which is running in seconds. So you have to see constantly कि आपको सुनना पड़ेगा कि आप कहाँ से बात करना शुरू कर रहे हो until what time you need to cut. So you see a 10 second. Now आप उस green वाले button को hold करो, जो circle button है, just hold it and drag it till 10 seconds. You can see आपके side में भी एक timer run होगा. You can give a second more. So अगर 10 seconds I am starting, I'll cut it till a second earlier. If I'm started talking from 10, I'll cut it till 9 seconds to be on a safer side. ठीक है? So ये हुआ आगे से trim. I have cut the video from the front. Now this is my trim video from the front. If you don't, then you have an option of zoom selection. So this is the area that I have selected now. Okay, this is the area I've selected now. You go to zoom selection. You will not get that आगे का cut. आपको जो आगे आपका जो distraction है या जो आपने आगे गलती की है या जो आप setting कर रहे थे वो आपको नहीं दिखेगा. You will start seeing that I am started talking. Right? Now आपको this is the option of trim. Then you do check. आप check करोगे, then you will see that it automatically starts from my talking. It does not show that I am straightening my hair, I am straightening my hair or doing whatever it is. Right? Again, now I'll show you the option of cut. So when you select cut, अगर आपको लगता है कि in between you have done some mistake which you don't want, or your video is too long, or somebody else's video is too long, and you just want a certain section from that video. If you just want a certain section from the video, either from the front or from the back, you can use the option of cut. Okay, that way you can keep on selecting. And this can also be helpful that if you entirely know that beach mein at this timing I have done this problem, you know, so if you can just analyze that, you can write it down कि मैंने 11 seconds
Oh, we can't hear you.
I think she got stuck or some issue with the internet. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes.
Sorry, I had a load shedding here. Sorry, the lights had gone off, so my Wi-Fi went off. So sorry. Okay. Okay. So are you all able to hear me? Till where did you listen to me? Can you just let me know?
We were moving that cursor, that green button
so cut,
from left to right.
True. So if you exactly know that this 1 minute or 1 second, I have done a mistake and I want to cut, and my first half and the second half is completely fine, then you can use this option of cut. Okay, so you can use that. The third option is called split. So what will this do? This will split your video automatically into 2-3 zones. Are
So
you able to?
we have to press on that cut.
Yeah.
कट के ऊपर क्लिक करना है क्या?
हाँ, कट के ऊपर आप क्लिक करेंगे तो वो ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट होगा. जैसे ट्रिम के ऊपर, जैसे आप ट्रिम के ऊपर
frame by frame also.
Yeah, you can cut it frame by frame also.
Yeah, yeah, thanks.
Okay, so you can cut it frame by frame. So now what will happen if you use it like this and you just select it, ठीक है? तो क्या होगा, जो frame आपका selected है ना, वो automatically cut होके join हो जाएगी and बीच से वो frame पूरी गायब हो जाएगी.
Yeah, I think we'll have to do that. Cut click नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ, आप एक बार cut पे select करिए.
कर लिया. when I clicked on it, nothing is happening. I think I had to wait. I had to now go to split.
Okay, so now you can go to split. Now split, what it does, it just splits your video into two parts. Okay, so if you have a video and you know that you know from अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने बीच में कहीं fumble किया है and आपने कोई चीज repeat की है, so like I fumbled saying I misspelled something and again I spelled it correctly, you can use the option of split. It will split the videos into various parts. You can split the video into half. जैसे एक बार split करेंगे तो half होगा. There is an option of multi split also. So if you click on multi split, then wherever you put the cursor, it will split it up. Okay, so एक split यहाँ हो जाएगा. ठीक है, एक split already हो चुका है. Then you can just go and select one more split. ठीक है, you just took that. So see, my video has already got splitted into 3 sections. Can you see? Earlier it was only 1 section. Now it is 3 sections. If you go out and just press that long video, कोई भी आप किसी भी frame पे आप press करोगे, तो ये आपको ये 3 बार ऐसे दिखेंगे. You get 3 thumbnails small because I splitted the video into 3 sections. And now individually you can go to each section and you can do the trimming or splitting or cutting, whatever, however way it's comfortable to you to trim or to edit that wrong thing जो आपने गलत बोला है वो, या आपको आपने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा बोला है आपको वो हटाना है, वो भी हटा सकते हो. आप कहीं फंबल करे हो, आप वो भी एडिट कर सकते हो. आपने कोई चीज रिपीट करी है या कहीं पे आप कुछ करते करते something fell off and you are distracted, you can cut that. So you can edit the video like that.
Then finally you give that right click button.
Yes, finally you do that right click and you come to this window.
Yeah, that yeah.
ठीक है?
Yeah, got it.
Now, wherever your video would be cut, you will get this transition वाला option. ठीक है, जहां भी आपका वीडियो कट होगा, आपको ये ट्रांजिशन वाला ऑप्शन देखने को मिलेगा. Just a second. ठीक है, so you will get this transition. ये small box जो ट्रांजिशन का दिखा था, you will get that option of transition wherever your videos are cut. See? Okay, you can just keep on scrolling and seeing it. Now what that does is, have you ever seen कि एक frame जाता है and then दूसरा frame आता है and तीसरा frame नीचे से आता है? So you can do a transition like that. So how do you get that? Again ये बार को scroll करिए. Background, speed, crop, volume, duplicate. Select it. And there's an option. Oh, where did the transition go? Okay, I'll show it to you. Background. Okay, now for the speed. So you click on the speed option and you can adjust the speed of your video going faster or going slower. If you want that certain, the video should go faster, like it should like blah, 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 then you can just increase the speed of the video. Okay, so you'll see I'll start talking faster. Right? And if you want, you can just decrease the speed of the video. So you'll start talking slowly. So that is the entire speed. आपकी पूरी video की speed अगर आपको कहीं fast forward करना है. So like if you're showing a tutorial which does not need a lot of talking and which needs to get faster, you can just increase the speed of the video and it will get faster.
मेरे में speed में it is coming duration.
कौन सा sir?
When I click on speed, I got the window as duration.
Yes, yes. So that is for a particular video. So see, if you click on a particular frame of the video, अगर आप कोई particular frame को करते हो, then you will get that fast speed, slow speed. But in general, अगर आप बाहर select कर लेते हो, like you have not selected any of the frame, and then you go to the speed, then you can set the speed of each frame.
Yeah, it says customize. Correct. I got it.
It's custom. So कोई frame आपको 5 सेकंड तक चाहिए वो 5 सेकंड तक रहेगा, कोई frame आपको 2 सेकंड चाहिए वो 2 सेकंड रहेगा.
Oh yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Like that. Now, so this is the thing.
Again, I click that right arrow and then come out.
Yes.
Okay, I came out.
Right arrow and come out. What if you have done anything correct? You want to save it, then do right arrow. If you don't want to save it, you just press the back arrow. जो नीचे है या ऊपर है, जहाँ भी है आपके, you can just come out of that window. So like this, you can explore in short. ठीक है, ये एक technique just I'm teaching. Next is the option of your. I'll just tell you. Crop. ठीक है, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी वीडियो में साइज बहुत ज्यादा है, so what you do? you go to a particular frame, select that frame. Okay, just press that video up, you get a frame, select that frame and go to crop. So you can crop your video. So if you don't want this big of frame, you can go and just crop your frames. Like you crop your photos, you can crop your video size and frame. कि अगर आपको लगता है ऊपर से ज़्यादा रह गया है and side से ज़्यादा रह गया, you want to crop it or you want to crop certain element in the video which you don't want to show, then you can just crop it. Is everybody clear till now?
Absolutely. Oops.
Okay.
Anup, today a large one.
Haji sir?
Anup, today a large.
Anup, today last one means that I didn't get it.
Double large, sir. Double large.
हाँ बिल्कुल सर बिल्कुल.
अच्छा double. Okay.
हमारा AK-47 का लैंग्वेज है ये.
Okay sir, no problem. ठीक है. So now you want that now my name should come in between. So when my video comes in, because ऐसा होता है ना कि now you introduce कि hi, this is Sonu Singh. So when you are selling that hi, this is Sonu Singh, your name should also come in. Now how do you do that? So you run the video and you listen to the point where you have stated that my name is Sonu Singh. So you see a timer running below, 0.11 second, 12 second, 13 second. So whenever you listen that at 13 second my name has come, you go back, you adjust your lines. Okay, sorry. Okay, you just go back, you adjust your frame to 13 seconds. Like this. With your fingers, okay, adjust it with your fingers. You can see below, जो मेरा नीचे बार है, आप अगर बार मेरा देख रहे हो वीडियो का, उसके नीचे देखो middle में there is 13 second written and the right corner would be the total time. That will be the total time. Now here I want to insert my name, that my name should come up. So you again go, keep the cursor there, जो आपका cursor चल रहा है ना, the running cursor, keep at 13 seconds and you go and enter text. Right?
You just press the text button.
Yeah, you just press the text button. This window will open up and you go and add text. So it will show you an add text option and you write Sonu. Sorry. You write Sonu Singh. So my name would come up, okay? Again, you can change your font here as per your wish if you think that that is not here. So you can change your font. You can change your colors. You can change everything that I showed you in the first option. Text ke window pe jaake you can change anything. Every time that you enter a text, you can change and edit the text. Okay? Then you scroll it, you resize it, you put it down. Or you want to put it up wherever you want to space that word, you can just do that. Okay? Now I want to also enter, so I do a right click. After entering, I do a right click. Whatever enter you do a right click. I also want to enter a GIF now, like a laughing, a clapping thing. So I go to sticker. I take up this clapping all option. It will come up. I resize it. And I change it here. Okay? So I place it here. Done. So now you see that the 13 second का जो बार है, जो लंबा सा बार है, उसमें भी you can see two options coming up. Along with that, two other option of logos which are there running till the video end. तो उनको जहाँ भी जगह मिलेगी on top, on bottom, wherever it is, they will adjust themselves. So you don't worry about it. You just have to see कि these have appeared on your screen. Okay? And then now you go to select Sonu Singh, and now from here on my name should be there at the entire video. So I go to select and I do a video. Right? So my name would be there at the entire video. And again, I do a right click. So this is looking like this. It will start looking like this. So now my video is running. I have my name. I have the Mahabodhi logo. I have my own logo, right? So I have put everything now. And if I see that the video is running fine, I will run the entire video. Now I'll just show you how do you filter. If you think that आपको कुछ और color चाहिए, filter चाहिए life में, you can go to this filter option here. Can you see? Filter. You go to filter option and you can add filters to your life if you want more filters. So you can go and keep on selecting. So you have filter, you have effect, you have adjust. तो आपने कोई भी फिल्टर सिलेक्ट करना है. तो लाइक फर्स्ट इज द ओरिजिनल, कि जो भी ओरिजिनल कैमरा पे आपने किया है ओरिजिनल लाइटिंग लेके, it will remain like that. But if you want to enhance it, so like if you want to give it a more dramatic kind of a thing, you can just keep selecting filters. Again, the same rule applies. If you want the filter only for one particular frame, you click on one tick. If you want this filter to be applied on all the frames, you click the double tick. Okay, so I don't want a filter, so I'll just do a single tick and I come out. So that is how you enter filter, and that is how you enter in between. So wherever, if you want to write also in between, so just let me run through it. And now here I want to write. So like, you know, in trainings, when we say, when we are giving a video, we write 3 points to a leadership goal. So you want to enter that 3 points, you know, the 3 pillars of trust. So if you want to enter that, because you have this window, see, आपके पास जगह नहीं होगी ना, तो आप लिख नहीं पाओगे. Okay, so if you have certain things here, if you have certain things there, then the writing is not that easy. That is why a plain wall is much more preferable, because you can keep on writing. So this becomes like a blackboard. I have shot on this wall only, by the way. This video has been shot on this wall itself. So this becomes like a blackboard or a whiteboard, and you can just keep on writing. So like you write, you can keep on writing over here. So I'll just go here and I'll write again. I'll write thank you all. Okay, now I just want center line, and I want to give it a transition, so it will come up. Okay, now I just resize it and I just put it here. Okay, so it has already come. It has already been selected. Now I want that. Now I just want that this thank you all should not go to end of the clip, neither to the end of the video. I just want it to stay for 2-3 more seconds. So what do? I just hold this. ठीक है, ये जो arrow बना है आपका, उस frame के ऊपर जो ये arrow है, right arrow, you just hold it and you can drag it. See? Can you see I'm dragging it? You can drag it till the frame you want to keep it. So I just want that it should be here till only a certain frame. So I just wanted this much. It should be there from 48 to 54. I don't want it to be here till the end. I don't want it to go to clip end. I don't want it that it should go till you know, video end. I just want it for 2, 3, 5 seconds more. So there I just hold it and I drag it. That can be done for same for the left arrow also. You can hold it and you can drag it. See, the bar will change. And now when I play it, it will be there for a more number of time. And then it will go off.
Sonu, I have a question.
Ajit.
When you go to the effect part, there is one green window, one white window, and one grid view. And then on the right edge, there is one circle with something. When you come up to effects.
Yes.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. On the right hand, there is one. On the left, I got one green window. What was that?
Where did you get a green window, sir?
Just
so
under
you
the
have
image.
These zoom, soul, shake, white,
वो
black.
सब होगा. That's all there. In line with that right edge में आपका जो आ रहा है ना ये. इधर मेरे पास आ रहा है 3 विंडो है. I don't know what it is. एक green है.
सर आपका iPhone है क्या?
नहीं, मेरा Google है.
अच्छा, Google है. Then I have seen on iPhone and I have seen on Android. Google पे 1-2 फीचर शायद अलग हो सकते हैं. आप एक बार explore कर लेना. No worries.
Okay. Yeah,
you can explore all the options. That's not a problem.
And when we accept it, we do double click of the left side.
Yes. When you accept it, if you want that this effect should be on only one single frame, then you do one single click. If
Correct.
you want that this should be on the entire video and all the frames, then you do double click.
On the left side wala.
Yes.
And
Okay.
how do we undo things?
For the effects, एक होगा ना original. There is an option which is called.
Okay.
अच्छा, आपने tick कर दिया, right?
Okay. I come back to original.
You can come back to original.
Okay.
और else there is an option. यहाँ पे देखिए सर, आप अगर देखोगे ना, music छोड़िए. You canvas के ऊपर आपको एक arrow दिख रहा है. Can you see an arrow on top? That is an undo option.
Oh yeah, this one. Okay, okay. Scene. Top left.
Yeah. So top left, there's an arrow like this.
Scene. But even if I can come to original, I come back to original.
Yes,
only.
yes.
Yeah,
You can go back to that effect. You can click original and you can do it.
Yeah. Thank you.
अगर आपको वहाँ तक नहीं जाना, you can do it directly here also.
Done.
Control Z.
Done. How much longer would we be taking? Because I have to leave at 8.
I am almost done. Just give me 5-10 minutes more. Just 5 minutes. Okay. So I'm almost.
Otherwise, you'll continue and I'll sign out.
Okay. So as you wish, because I'm already almost done. Like if there's any question, I'll take it and rest is all done.
Okay.
I just was showing how to add music. That's it.
Okay, fine, perfect. Then I'll see that.
Okay. So ये सारा option है. Now you have an option of adding a music. So on this entire video, because it goes play, you go to this music option on the first. So canvas के बाद second option music का है. You go to music. Now over here in music, you can do voiceover also. So like if a video is just playing where there is no voice, there is no sound. Like a PPT, ठीक है? अगर आपको एक PPT को video convert करना है, you can do that. So you can just play the PPT here, or you can just play a certain picture here, and you can go to the option of record. So that will do a voiceover. So you can start recording as the picture frame starts moving. So that is how you do a voiceover, okay? And effects, so of course, वो sound effects, bam, boom, blah, whatever you want to add, you can add effects. Music में tracks है, okay? Now you go to the tracks. So this is the option of tracks. You go to tracks. There are pre-featured tracks already, or else you can use My Music. So when you go to My Music, you get your folder of music which you want to add. Okay, so that is how you add it. Now featured. So these are the tracks. So you can select any of the track. You can listen to that track first. So to listen to that track, you just click on the picture. आप उस picture पे जब click करोगे तो आप track listen कर पाओगे. ठीक है? And if you want to use this, you can click on this pink color download जो आया है. Okay, so you click on that and that will get downloaded, and then it will option of use. So now you can click on use and you can add the music to the entire thing, right? Entire video. If you want on the entire video, the music automatically gets added to your entire video. Now understand, if your video is 3 minutes long, and you are selecting only a music which is 1 minute long, then the music will get added till the time your video is running as 1 minute. You have to go till 1 minute and duplicate it. Like you have to select the duplicate option to duplicate the video on the rest of the track, right? So ये, जैसे this is the first track that I'm using, so I'll just go click on use. तो आप देखोगे मेरे नीचे video panel के एक music panel add हुआ है. ठीक है, एक music panel add हो गया है. Now similarly, I can edit the music. So you just go to edit, and this music is 2 minutes long. I don't want it. I just want this music for 4-5 seconds. तो अब मुझे कहीं से भी, जहां से भी मुझे वो music piece अच्छा लग रहा है, I can select it from middle, so I can just drag it. तो आप उसको drag कर लो, छोटा कर लो, तो वो बस उतने सेकंड के लिए आपके उसमें ऐड होगा. आप वो आगे कर, अगर आपको आगे का म्यूजिक चाहिए, then you can just drag and select the front music if you want from the middle, if you want from the end. So whichever part of the music you want to cut and add to your video, you can do that. So if I've selected this, you can adjust the volume of the music, because eventually when you start talking, you don't want the music to be stronger. You want your voice to be stronger. So you just adjust the music. You can do a fade in and a fade out. So like slowly it will enter and slowly it will go out. So you can give that effect to your music also. And you can just go and click and tick. So when you do a tick, you will see, and since I've selected for a shorter duration, my music is only getting added for a shorter duration, that is 30 seconds. But I don't need a 30 second, I need much lesser. So I'm just going to add a music for 5 seconds. Now understand, if your music bar is not selected, if that any of the bar is not selected, the edit button will not be highlighted. To highlight the edit button, select it. Okay, so एक होता है ये unselect, ये है select. Okay, so you have to select it, go to that edit, and I'll just shorten the music more to maybe just 5 seconds. Okay, now done. So now you see when it starts playing, the music will also start playing in the background, and once I start talking, the music fades away and I start talking. and after that there is no music. After that there is no music. So if I have to again add a music, like in between I want to add, you can just go wherever you want to add, click on add, and you can add another music into it. So that is how you add music to your video. And this would be your, and then you can run your entire video presentation and you can see how your video finally looks like. So if all of you have done it parallelly with me, whatever edit, and you can complete it and you can share those videos with Khushbu. Okay, you can share the entire videos with Khushbu. We can see it, we can look at how you have done it. And if there is any other question, I'm open to questions now.
Sonu, how does this get saved, whatever we've edited?
Yeah, okay, fine. So now this is the final product. आप ऊपर save option दिख रहा है?
Right side.
Yeah,
Yes,
right
yes.
ऊपर save. Click on save. So this save will click come up. You have 3 options of saving a MP4 video: 640, 720, 1080. So 1080 is the finest option. ठीक है? It gives you high clarity. Rest दोनों में it will compress the video a little. So if you have space in the phone, you can use 1080 pixel. Otherwise, if you want to compress it, you can do it like 720 pixel, 640 pixel, depending on how much space you want to save.
I have a question here. When I'm pressing the save button, it is saying deleting the original video will damage.
Okay. So deleting the original means जो original आपने add किया था, आपने सारा edit किया है ना, तो वो original वो video delete कर देगा, and जो आपने अभी edit किया है वो video save करेगा. That's okay. That's not a problem. The raw video that you have edited, that will not get saved in InShot.
Okay, but then if I do it on a
That
640,
video will be available on your gallery. That raw video will
but
be
if I
available.
do it on a 640, would it not be of a good quality?
No, it would be like, might be when you are seeing on a larger screen, it will get pixelated or something like that. That's it. Nothing more than that. But if you're seeing on phone and all, it will be fine. 640 is fine. So see, my video has got saved now. It has tick कर दिया उसने save वो percentage करके वो save कर देगा, right? You can directly share from here. If you want to share this video, you can directly share to all your social media platforms. See, okay. Otherwise, if you want to see it in your gallery, you just click home. यहाँ पे आपको एक home दिख रहा है. Click home. You'll get back to your original InShot. Now InShot has an option of keeping a draft of your video. So whatever video you will create, it will keep a draft of it until unless you delete it. So that if you have to come back and again rework on the video, you don't have to again rework the entire process. तो आपको जब draft save होता है ना, तो आप देखो video के ऊपर एक